Hello, today I would like to talk about fraction. Last time I think I was too fast, so today I would like to go step by step. So what is fraction? That was also missing last time. Fraction is a number. So the purpose is now is tell how much is that. Then why not integer? Then we can say 0, 1, 2, 3, but the problem 0, 1, 2, 3 is sometimes I want to say larger than 0 but smaller than 1. For example, I want to say half. This kind of thing I cannot say 1, 2, 3, so I want to say half or 1/3. That's the fraction come to. Okay, now let's start unit fraction. Let's start with simple. Imagine this is a chocolate bar, the complete chocolate bar, so it's 1. And then this is same size of chocolate bar, but I divide by 2. And then this part I call half, 1/2. In the same way, I divide 1 chocolate bar, 3 equal parts, and then this part I said 1/3. The same, the 1 chocolate bar I divided by 4 equal parts, and then this part I call 1/4. Actually, this is, in a sense, for consistency, this is 1 part divided by 1, but we don't write like this. This is still correct, but we just write 1. Because mathematicians are lazy, so we only write 1. This is not only for the chocolate bar. So if I have, for example, €1, but if I have, how can I say half euro? I cannot divide by coin, but half euro is actually 50 cents. Same as if I have €1 and divide by 4, this is 25 cents. For just completeness, this is also 1/1 euro. I define the 1, so 1 chocolate bar or €1. This is the unit. Now I think this is a 1, also this is a 1. I define the 1 first. Last time I shouted 1, 1, but that's not make sense, I think. So 1 is given. If once 1 is defined, like 1 meter, then the half meter is defined. And the next is just a name. So if I wrote like this upper side called numerator. So this is a name, just this 1 is called numerator, this 2 is called denominator. And the German, so this upper side number is called Zehner, and the lower side number is called Nenner. If you're just curious, in Japanese, the upper side number is bunshi, and the lower side number called bunbo. The meaning is here is a mother, here is a child. Fraction mother, fraction child. Just a name. So next is the general fraction. So we have €1, for example. This is actually 1 times €1. That's too obvious, this, so we just call €1. But if I have 2 €1 coin, what does it mean is 2 times €1 coin, and we just write this is €2. The same as 3. So this means 3 €1 coins. I hope you get that. The same as chocolate bar. So this is 1 chocolate bar. And this is 2 1 chocolate bar, but we just say 2 chocolate bar. The same. This is 3 1 chocolate bar, but we said 3 chocolate bar. I hope this is obvious. Now let's think about the fraction. So I define this is 1 chocolate bar, and this part. So this part is 1 over 2 chocolate bar. Now this is 1 over 2 chocolate bar. We write this is 1 over 2. Now there is a 2 half chocolate bar. We wrote 2 over 2. This is the step. Okay. Now there is a 3 half chocolate bar. We wrote like this. See? How many half chocolate bar? This is 1, this is 2, this is 2, this is 3, this is 3. Yeah? The half chocolate bar is 3 half chocolate bar. The same discussion. I have 4 half chocolate bar, then this we load like this. Do you see the system? Oh, this half is gone. Do you see the system? Now, I said the half chocolate bar as a unit, and then 1 half chocolate bar, 2 half chocolate bar, 3 half chocolate bar, and 4 half chocolate bar. And we load like this. This is the fraction. Then at the last, I have a question. What is 4 over 3 chocolate bar? So I give 1 chocolate bar here, and then what is 4 over 3 chocolate bar? Pause the video and think about it. Okay, I thought you think about it. The answer is the unit is 1/3, so I divide by 1 chocolate bar 1/3. And then, so this is the amount of 4/3 chocolate bar. I hope this explanation works. So here's a summary. Fraction is a number. It can represent an amount less than 1. That's the purpose. If I have 2 over 3, this upper side number 2 is called numerator, or in German, Zehner, and this bar called fraction bar, Strich, and this lower number 3 is called denominator, or Nenner. The numerator shows how many units are you talking about, and denominator telling about counting units, about the units. Unit is represented by 1 is divided into how many parts? 2 over 3. This 2 means I see 2 things, and what this thing, how large this thing? This thing is the amount of 1 is divided by 3 equal parts. Let's visualize it. Making 2/3. So this is 1. That could be anything, but this is 1. I define this 1 as 1 chocolate bar, 1 euro, 1 cookie, anything, but there is a 1. Then I divide this 1 to 3 equal parts. So this is this denominator 3 means. And I took 1, this is 1/3, and this is 2/3. So this is 2/3. Here, the 1 is hidden, but there must be 1, and this is 2/3. That means this 1 is divided by 3, and then I see 2 things. Okay? I hope this helps to understand what the fraction is, and thanks for watching.